discussing a topic from marginal costing, that is the concept of contribution. For the purpose of understanding the concept in detail, it is quite necessary to understand the classifications of cost. On the basis of behavior of cost, it is divided mainly into fixed cost and variable cost. As the name suggests, total fixed cost remains fixed as the number of output increases or the volume of production increases. And examples of fixed cost includes salaries of executives, rent of the production premises, depreciation charged to various assets, etc. And variable cost changes with the level of activity or volume of production. As the number of units produced increases, the total variable cost also increases. Examples include cost of raw materials, labor, commission paid to sales intermediaries, etc. Let's see the nature of total fixed cost and total variable cost. From first graph, total fixed cost remains the same irrespective of the level of activity. That is, it is a straight line parallel to x-axis. And with respect to total variable cost, as the number of units produced increases, total variable cost also increases. And the resultant is a line which is upward from left to right. Next, the nature of per unit fixed cost and per unit variable cost. As the production increases, fixed cost per unit, which is obtained by dividing total fixed cost with the number of outputs, goes on decreasing. The curve will be sloping downwards from left to right, and irrespective of the level of activity, variable cost per unit remains the same. Therefore, variable cost per unit is a straight line parallel to x-axis. Now let's discuss the concept of contribution in detail. Contribution is nothing but excess of sales over variable cost. It is also called profit pickup because it helps to recover fixed cost and also to pick up profit. Here is an example illustrating the concept. Suppose a manufacturing concept is earning a sales revenue of Rs 50,000. When we deduct variable cost, that is cost of raw materials, labor, etc. from that particular sales revenue, suppose that figure is Rs 30,000, we will get the resultant contribution as 20,000. When we further deduct fixed cost from contribution, that is rent of building, salaries of executives, etc., 15,000, the resultant is 5,000, that is profit. So, profit plus fixed cost is equal to contribution, and contribution plus variable cost is sales revenue. Now let's discuss some of the formulas for finding out contribution. Contribution can be obtained by using the formula sales minus variable cost. The resultant is contribution value. To obtain contribution per unit, we have to deduct variable cost per unit from selling price per unit, or contribution per unit is equal to total contribution divided by total number of units sold. So combining all these equations, we will get another main equation, that is marginal cost equation, that is sales minus variable cost is equal to fixed cost plus profit, which is equal to contribution. And this particular equation is of prime importance in marginal costing. Why this particular concept is named as contribution? Does it contributes to something? It contributes to fixed cost and profit until attaining break-even point, that is a point where all costs are recovered from sales. It contributes to fixed cost, and after attaining break-even point, it contributes to profit. That's why it is named as contribution. So hope you understand the concept of contribution. Thank you for watching.